Hello guys, how are you doing? Today I'm gonna share you guys the secret that got me to stop making coffee any other way. That's right, after I heard of this recipe, this is the only coffee I drink. And the best part is that it only takes 2 ingredients to make. So let's get down to the recipe. First, we are going to start by adding 50 grams of soluble coffee. And with the coffee, we also are going to add the sugar. Guys, you're going to see how much this is going to be after we're done. Having the coffee and the sugar inside the bowl, we're going to mix them very well. Guys, this coffee, believe me, it's really delicious and it's very cheap to make, so you're not gonna have to spend a lot of money on these expensive coffees from bakeries or malls, and you're going to see that this recipe really gets you a lot of coffees done. I got really surprised the first time I did it at home. After mixing them together very well, we are going to add the water and start to whip it. For that, you can use the blender, a hand mixer as I'm using, or a fork. It will get you the job done. And guys, you'll see, it will double the amount after we're done here. A quick tip if you're using an electric hand mixer like I am, is to start slowly, stopping, until some of the water gets absorbed by the sugar and the coffee. Otherwise, it might spill all over your table and your kitchen. And another tip for you is interacting with this post if you like this kind of recipe. And interacting means commenting and liking and sharing. So comment down below the city where you're watching this recipe from, so I can read and respond all of the comments and send you a special hug. Plus, I like to know how far my videos are traveling. And guys, look at this texture. This is the texture we're looking for, and look at the amount we were able to do with just that amount of coffee and sugar. Now that it's done, you can put it into small portions or do as I am doing. Just put a plastic wrap around the big bowl and keep it in the fridge. It should last for around 30 days without a problem. And guys, check out how much we were able to do with that amount of coffee and sugar. It's unbelievable. And now that you have this cream ready, whenever you feel the need to drink the smooth and creamy coffee, all you have to do is this. You put a little bit of this cream inside of the cup, and this is really to taste, is up to you, and add a little bit of hot milk, and look how creamy and tasty it gets. Guys, it's delicious. Now guys, if you have a friend that is just like me and loves coffee, be sure to tag him in this video, and I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. And I see you in the next video with more tricks, tips, and recipes by the chef.